Assalamu alaikum. My name is Taj. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make something delicious, pistachio cake. Let's get started. We need eggs, crushed pistachio, baking powder, vanilla extract, flour, crushed biscuits, oil, milk, sugar, and green food coloring. Let's get started. First, crack 2 room temperature eggs into a bowl. Add half a cup of sugar and a splash of vanilla extract. Beat everything together. Add 3/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of oil and couple of drops of green food coloring. And mix it all together. While mixing, add half cup of crushed biscuits and 1/4 cup of crushed pistachios. Add 1 cup of flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Do not beat it. Gently mix everything together. Let's prepare our cake pan. Let's butter our pan. Pour the cake mixture into the pan. And into the oven. Don't forget to preheat your oven at 350. Into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. It depends on your oven. I took the cake out of the oven. It smells so good. Let's wait for it to cool down. After cooling, soak the cake with milk. Yum! Let's decorate the cake. Let's pour condensed milk. Now let's drizzle the caramel. Wow, what an art piece! Now let's sprinkle the crushed pistachio. Let's chill our cake in the fridge to make it even tastier. I took the cake out of the fridge. Let's taste it. Yum, yum, yum. It tastes so good. Give it a try. Like and subscribe.